Yo, what is up, all you funnel hackers? I got the cheetah print sunglasses, so you know things about to get serious. So I just want to give you guys a quick update on what's going on. I'm sure you guys are all wondering, Blade, Funnel Hacker Lab isn't working. What the F is going on? I need this in my life. Well, guys, let me tell you, we're making some major improvements, guys. So we took all your advice, we took all of your comments, and we're just making some tremendous improvements. So currently we ran into some problems. Actually, the developers that are running the system that helped me build this amazing platform, we actually ran into some problems, but that's a different video. Pretty much the update is what we're doing is we're getting Clickfunnels involved with this, and we're making sure we get Go High Level involved with this. So currently what we have is 300 different landing page templates on Funnel Hacker Lab in the membership. Okay, and that can be utilized, that can be transported instantly over to Clickfunnels and over to Go High Levels. It was just a click of a button, just to make it super simple. Now, what you're probably wondering too is, yo, Blade, what about the Funnel Hacker tool? You mean the tool that you can clone any Clickfunnels landing page and paste into your Clickfunnels editor? Well, guess what? We're optimizing this. Not only are you going to be able to clone any Clickfunnels tool, any Clickfunnels landing page, but you're also going to be able to clone any Go High Level landing page. So we are making some improvements. I apologize, guys. We had some struggles with the actual development and the back end. A bunch of just coding that kind of got screwed over as we were transferring over to a new development team. But a lot of that got resolved. We're fixing that up, and we should have everything live within this month. Of course, guys, you know me, I'm gonna constantly keep you guys updated, making sure you guys know on progress, because I know you guys want this, I know you guys need this. Matter of fact, I need this too in my own marketing agency. I'm using this right now. Also, it's in beta version, but I'm using this like every day, right, as I'm making more landing pages for my clients. So I understand, guys, I understand, trust me, I understand how important this is to get this out to you. But guys, please bear with me, bear with my team. We are, like I said, we're just working on the back end right now, making sure everything's ready to go so that we can just relaunch and make everything super smooth for you guys to utilize, okay? And guys, please, in the comments below, right below this little video, I want you to comment whatever you want in the software, whatever you need in the software that can help you improve your business. Please comment down below, because I'm gonna give you a little quick secret. We're also in the works of developing a funnel mapping out system as well, but I don't even want to get into that. First, I want to roll out to you our 300 different landing page templates that can be pasted into Go High Level and Clickfunnels. And I also want to roll out to you the Clickfunnels tool. By the way, guys, it's still working right now for Clickfunnels. It's just that you need to update to the newest model of the tool. So I think we're at the tool of like 3.0 or something like that. So I have a link where you can download the new Chrome extension, the updated Chrome extension. So because I know a lot of you guys maybe not have updated the newest Chrome extension and maybe it's not working for you. So I'll put the link down in the description below, or the comments, whatever is below, to download that new extension so you guys can utilize it. And like I said, guys, within this month we should be done with all the development. We should be ready to rock and roll and start helping you guys improve your business, start helping you guys just save a lot of time, a lot of money on developing landing pages. Honestly, I'm tired of that. So guys, like I said, we should be done by the end of this month. Any questions, comment down below. Any improvements you would like to see on this new launch, please let me know, guys. I'm always trying to improve our software. Thank you guys for listening. Thank you guys for listening to my rant. I know it's getting a little long, but I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out.